Introduction to perfume. Welcome back, my fragrance enthusiasts. In this chapter, we'll embark on a journey to uncover the enchanting world of perfume. We'll start by exploring the origins of perfume, dating back to ancient civilizations like Egypt and Mesopotamia. We'll learn how perfume was used in rituals, as well as its significance in cultural and religious practices. Next, we'll fast forward to the Renaissance era, where perfumery became an art form. The royal courts of Europe were adorned with exquisite scents, and perfumers gained recognition for their craftsmanship. We'll dive into the techniques and ingredients used during this period, showcasing the evolution of perfume as both a luxury and an expression of individuality. Moving forward, we'll explore the modern perfume industry, where creativity and innovation reign supreme. We'll delve into the world of niche perfumes, where independent perfumers push boundaries and create unique, unconventional scents. We'll also discuss the influence of marketing and branding on the perfume industry, as well as the rise of celebrity and designer fragrances. And finally, we'll touch upon the cultural significance of perfume today. From the power of scent memories to the role of perfume in self-expression, we'll explore how fragrance has become an integral part of our lives. So, get ready to immerse yourself in the captivating history and evolution of perfume. Join me in the next chapter as we explore the different fragrance families and discover the scents that speak to our souls. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the world of fragrance. And that brings us to the conclusion of our perfume journey. I hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the captivating world of fragrance. From the ancient origins to the modern-day trends, we've explored it all. But our adventure doesn't have to end here. If you've found this series informative and entertaining, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all things perfume. By subscribing, you'll become part of our wonderful fragrance community, where we share tips, recommendations, and exciting discoveries. And hey, if you've enjoyed this video, why not give it a thumbs up and show your support? It helps us bring more content like this to you, and it lets me know that you're loving what we're creating here. Thank you all for joining me on this incredible perfume odyssey. Remember, every day is an opportunity to embrace the magic of scent and let it become a part of your unique story. Until next time, stay fragrant, stay adventurous, and keep spreading the love for all things perfume. Blows a kiss and waves goodbye.